This is Pokling 888 Telemetrading Daily Market Research and Data Analysis. Here are the updates on Forex. For US dollar, the dollar index held above 96.2 on Tuesday, while the Chinese yuan eased to around 6.37 per US dollar. The Japanese yen dropped to a 5-year low past 115.5 per US dollar. Then, the Australian dollar held around 0.72 US dollar on Tuesday after falling almost 1% in the previous session. Then the euro held at 1.13 US dollars in early January. The offshore yuan eased around 6.37 per US dollar, and the British pound held at 1.35 US dollars. And the New Zealand dollar hovered below 0.68 US dollar on Tuesday after falling 0.8% in the previous session. And here are the updates on commodities. For gold price, the gold was steady around 1,805 US dollars an ounce on Tuesday after posting its biggest decline in 6 weeks, while the crude futures steadied above 76 US dollars per barrel, while the Brent crude futures steadied above 79 US dollars per barrel, and the US natural gas futures remained around 3.7 US dollars per million British thermal units at the start of 2022. Here are the stock market updates. In US, the US stock futures extended a record rally on Tuesday, with Dow rising more than 100 points and both S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 gaining 0.3% in the early European hours as optimism on global economic growth and earnings continued to grow. Wall Street kicked off 2022 on a strong note, with both Dow and S&P 500 closing at record highs and Nasdaq gaining 1.2% on Monday. Tech giants as well as reopening plays like airlines and cruise lines pushed the indices higher. Tesla rallied 13.5% after beating fourth quarter and full year delivery expectations, and Apple became the first ever company to hit a 3 trillion US dollars market cap after rising 2.5% to a new record. Meanwhile, investors and await a batch of economic data on Tuesday, including December's ISM, manufacturing PMI, and November's job openings and labor turnover survey. While in China, the Shanghai Composite fell 0.2% to close at 3,632, while the Shenzhen Component lost 0.44% to 14,791 on Tuesday, dragged down by new energy firms as investors took profits on 2021's top-performing group. Sentiment was also dampened as traders weighed the chances of further policy easing after Chinese manufacturing data surprised markets on the upside and as the central bank net withdrew liquidity from the banking system. Notable decliners include Contemporary Amber 3.3%, Tianqi Lithium 5.9%, Longi Green Energy 1.5%, Ganfeng Lithium 5.3%, and Eve Energy with 5.6%. Growth names in the technology and biotech sectors also slumped after regulators said they will implement new rules that require companies with data for more than 1 million users to undergo a security review before listing shares overseas, affecting firms including Wuxi Aptech with 8.3%, East Money 3.4%, and Shenzhen Mindray 10.2% among others. In United Kingdom, the FTSE 100 gained more than 1% to trade at new highs since February 2022 on Tuesday, the first trading day of the new year. While in South Africa, the FTSE or JSE All Share Index was up 0.8% to touch a fresh record high of 74,300 on Tuesday. While in Japan, the Nikkei 225 index rallied 1.77% to close at 29,302, while the broader topics index advanced 1.94% to 2,030 on Tuesday. All sectors of the market participated in the rally, led by gains from Toyota with 6.1%, Kawasaki Kisen with 11%, Tokyo Electron with 3.2%, Sony Group with 3.4%, and Mitsubishi UFJ with 3.5%. While in France, the CAC 40 index jumped 0.9% to extend its fresh record to 7,282 on Tuesday, supported by the banking and luxury goods sectors. On the corporate front, financial stocks edged 1.7% higher, driven by Societe Generale 3.9%, BNP Paribas 2%, and AXA with 2%. At the same time, the LVMH rose 1.2%, while Pernod Ricard 1.3% hovered at record highs after Deutsche Bank raised its target price from 237 to 245 euros. In Italy, the FTSE MIB advanced 0.4% to trade around 27,840 on Tuesday, hovering around 13-year highs. While in Europe, European equity markets rose on Tuesday after the Pan-European Stock 600 index kicked off 2022. And here are the latest on bonds. In US, the US 10-year Treasury yields strengthened to a 6-week high of 1.62% in the first week of 2022. While in United Kingdom, the bond yield increased to a 5-week high of 1.029%. And this is Emmy from Philippines reporting. Thank you very much.